Hi, Kathleen.
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming to meet with me today. Tell me a little bit about the symptoms that led you to the Fibroid Institute.
The excessive bleeding, passing the blood clots, fatigue, cramping, everything, weight gain. I went through it all, I feel like.
And how long did you suffer with those symptoms?
Second time, about a year.
Okay.
A good year.
So second time.
The second time. The first time was in 2011.
Okay. And so you did what back then?
I did the UFE, through the groin area.
Okay.
And that was when I first time I have ever heard of it, when I was going through it the first time.
And you didn't have that at the Fibroid Institute?
No.
Okay.
I didn't.
Then fast forward,
Mm-hmm.
how did you get to us?
Through a specialist, Dr. Beckway, a gynecologist specialist that I went to go see.
Tell me a little bit about your experience.
Here,
Yes.
it was great to me, honestly. I'm very, put it like this, I'm very appreciative.
Wonderful.
Very appreciative.
So your fibroid symptoms were gone.
Gone.
How has your life changed?
Drastically, I feel normal again. I actually feel younger too.
That's great.
Drastically. I mean, not only have I lost weight, my hair has gotten a lot healthier. I haven't had any bleeding symptoms, not even cramping. Mild cramps once, monthly, every now and then. That's normal, with women. We're used to that. But everything, my energy level, even just my confidence. Let's speak about confidence. Confidence level, because I can actually wear white.
And you don't have to worry.
Right, exactly.
That's amazing. So what advice would you give other women who were struggling with fibroids?
First of all, don't second guess it. Do it. Do it, because I literally had my procedure done one day, and just days on end, I felt the difference. I started feeling better. In my bleeding, it stopped. I did not bleed. I haven't bled since before then.
Wow.
The only thing about it is just the back of my mind. I was so used to having to pad up, until I still find myself, even though I'm not wearing the thick pads anymore, I still find myself wearing a panty liner, because it can mess with you. When you deal with this, and I dealt with this twice in my lifetime, in my 40s, it's like a mental thing. Even although I know I am good, because I have actually, let me tell you, now that I hear her, hear them talk about Dr. Slonim on the radio and everything, I really wish I would have known about her years ago. But no, I'm very grateful.
Were you surprised that she does the procedure through the wrist?
Very surprised. A little doubtful, but no, now I know it worked.
That's awesome.
It literally worked. And I didn't have to worry about being put down for so long, or, just besides the going through the recovery stages, which is like 1 to 2 weeks, I believe. I mean, and if you follow her guidelines and she gives you her cell number, how many doctors give you their cell number?
Right.
But yeah, so I mean, it was amazing. You don't know how, when I say grateful is really putting it mild.
Well, thank you. We're grateful for you too.
Thank you. Yeah, very much so.